Divine Golf Villas are contemporary villas offering a stylish and luxurious lifestyle. The elegant exterior is cladded with travertine Turkish marble, which accentuates the modern and traditional architecture. The spacious lounge has an open view of the backyard, giving it an airy and inviting feel. The master bedroom has a private balcony overlooking the scenic golf course. The entire villa is well lit and centrally air-conditioned to deliver maximum comfort to its residents. The exquisite interior can be felt from every corner of the villa. Comfort and luxury of the residents were of utmost importance. Divine Golf Villas are surrounded by serenity and all the modern-day features. Residents can enjoy good times outdoors and take in the beautiful views of the golf course.